Hi, my dear students. The last lesson, natural resource. From natural resource, most very important MCQs. Okay. First bit, natural resources are obtained from option A, industries, option B, laboratories, option C, nature, option D, markets. The right answer is option C. Which of the following is a natural resource? Option A, plastic. Option B, glasses. Option C, water. Option D, cement. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Natural resources are mainly classified into option A, living and non-living. Option B, renewable and non-renewable. Option C, solid and liquid. Option D, biotic and abiotic. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Resources that can be replenished are called option A, non-renewable. Option B, exhaustible. Option C, renewable. Option B, limited. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Coal is a option A, renewable resource. Option B, non-renewable resource. Option C, biotic resource. Option D, artificial resource. The right answer is option B. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Option A, coal. Option B, petroleum. Option C, solar energy. Option D, natural gas. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which natural resource is essential for photosynthesis? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, oxygen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, hydrogen. The right answer is option C. Air is a mixture of option A, one gas. Option B, two gases. Option C, many gases. Option D, only oxygen. The right answer is option C. Air is a mixture of several gases or many gases. Option C is the right answer. Next bit. The major component of air is option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, argon. The right answer is option B. So, the major component of air and oxygen percentage is 21 percentage, nitrogen percentage is 78 percentage, carbon dioxide percentage is 0.03 to 0.04%, argon percentage is 1%. Like this, in this bit, the right answer is option B and D. Oxygen in air is essential for option A, photosynthesis. Option B, respiration. Option C, combustion only. Option D, growth only. The right answer is option B. Which layer of atmosphere protects life from harmful rays? Option A, troposphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, ozone layer. Option D, mesosphere. The right answer is option C. Ozone layer protects Earth from option A, infrared rays. Option B, visible light. Option C, ultraviolet rays. Option D, X-rays. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Ozone depletion is mainly caused by option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, methane. Option C, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Option D, oxygen. The right answer is option C. Here, chlorofluorocarbons always asked as a CFC and only CFC. He did not ask completely chlorofluorocarbons like that. Next bit. Water converts about. Water covers about. Option A 50% of Earth's surface. Option B 60% of Earth's surface. Option C 71% of Earth's surface. Option D 90% of Earth's surface. The right answer is option C. The largest source of water on Earth is option A rivers. Option B lakes. Option C oceans. Option D glaciers. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Potable water means option A polluted water, option B salty water, option C drinkable water, option D frozen water. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which process removes impurities from water naturally? Option A evaporation, option B condensation, option C water cycle, option D photosynthesis. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which activity causes water pollution? Option A rainfall, option B industrial waste discharges, option C condensation, option D transpiration. The right answer is option B. Which gas is released during respiration? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C carbon dioxide, option D hydrogen. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Increase in carbon dioxide causes. Option A cooling of earth, option B global warming, option C ozone formation, option D acid rain only. The right answer is option B. Next, soil is important for option A only plants, option B only animals, option C plants and animals, option D humans only. The right answer is option C. The soil is rich in option A rocks, option B minerals only, option C humus, option D sand only. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Soil erosion is caused by option A plantation, option B afforestation, option C deforestation, option D mulching. The right answer is option C. Which method prevents soil erosion? Option A deforestation, option B overgrazing, option C terrace farming, option D mining. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which of the following is a resource? Sorry, which of the following is a biotic resource? After A, water, after B, soil, after C, plants, after D, air. Next bit. Forest helps in option A, preventing floods, option B, maintaining climate, option C, conserving biodiversity, option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Next bit. Deforestation leads to option A increased rainfall, option B soil erosion, option C increased biodiversity, option D balanced ecosystem. The right answer is option D. Wildlife conservation is important too. Option A increase pollution, option B maintain ecological balance, option C destroy habitats, option D increase industries. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Fossil fuels are formed from option A, rocks, option B, dead plants and animals, option C, minerals, option D, water. The right answer is option B. Petroleum is mainly used as option A, fertilizer, option B, fuel, option C, medicine, option D, food, option and the right answer is option B. Next bit. Excess use of fossil fuels leads to option A, less pollution, option B, air pollution, option C, clean energy, option D, ozone formation. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Which is an alternative source of energy? Option A, coal, option B, petroleum, option C, wind energy, option D, natural gas. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Natural gas is also called as option A, biogas, option G, LPG, option C, CNG, option D, coal gas. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Biogas is produced from option A, petroleum, option B, coal, option C, animal waste, option D, nuclear energy. The right answer is option C. The main component of biogas is option A, oxygen, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, methane, option D, nitrogen. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Conservation of natural resource means option A, using resource carefully, option B, protecting and using wisely. So option C, destroying resource, option D, exporting resource. Next bit, sustainable development means option A, development without damage, option B, development for present needs without harming future, option C, using resource rapidly, option D, ignoring environment. The right answer is option B. Reduce, reuse, recycle helps in option A, increasing waste, option B, waste management, option C, pollution increases, option D, resources depletion. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Which resource is non-renewable? Option A, wind, option B, water, option C, coal, option D, solar energy. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which activity increases groundwater level? Option A, deforestation, option B, rainwater harvesting, option C, overuse of water, option D, industrialization. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Rainwater harvesting helps in option A, flooding, option B, water wastage, option C, groundwater recharge, option D, pollution. The right answer is option C. Acid rain is caused due to option A, carbon monoxide, option B, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, option C, oxygen, option D, hydrogen. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Which natural resources is required for respiration? Option A, water, option B, soil, option C, air, option D, forest. The right answer is option C. Our exploitation of resource result in option A, sustainability, option B, resource depletion, option C, conservation, option D, balance. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Which of the following conserves biodiversity. Option A, deforestation. Option B, pollution. Option C, wildlife sanctuaries. Option D, mining. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Renewable energy sources are option A, exhaustible. Option B, limited. Option C, uh, inex- inexhaustible. Option D, non-usable. The right answer is option C, inexhaustible. The right answer is C. Next bit. The main causes of deforestation is option A, afforestation. Option B, urbanization. Option C, conservation. Option D, plantation. The right answer is option B. Which gas causes a greenhouse effect? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, helium. The right answer is option C. Conservation of forest helps in option A, climate control. Option B, preventing soil erosion. Option C, supporting wildlife. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D. Last and final bit అండి. Protection of natural resource is essential for option A, present generation, option B, future generation, option C, both present and future generation, option D, plants only. The right answer is option C. The right answer is option C.